Get to the help you need. Use NHS 111. If you need urgent medical help but you're not sure where to go, use 111. Call, go online, or use the NHS App. How to contact NHS 111. NHS 111 can help if you think you need medical help right now. We can direct you to the best place to get help if you cannot contact your GP during the day or when your GP is closed, out of hours. To get help from NHS 111, you can use 111 online at 111.nhs.uk, use the NHS app, call 111 by phone. If you are a BSL user and want to use the phone service, you can use the NHS 111 British Sign Language BSL interpreter service via the NHS app or by visiting the website at 111.nhs.uk. The interpreter will phone an NHS 111 advisor and relay your conversation with them. To find out more, including how to download the app, visit nhs.uk/111. You can also get help from NHS 111 using text relay or a text phone. Call 1-800-1-111. If you need help in other languages, call 111 and ask for an interpreter. 111 online is for people aged 5 and over. If you need help for a child under 5, you should call 111. NHS 111 is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Here is a reminder of how to contact NHS 111. Summary of how to contact NHS 111. Online at 111.nhs.uk. NHS 111 BSL interpreter service via the NHS app or by visiting 111.nhs.uk. Text relay on 1-800-1-111 or call 111. Find out more about the NHS app on the website. What happens when you contact NHS 111? When you contact NHS 111, you will be asked a series of questions about your symptoms. You can answer the questions yourself or on behalf of someone else. Depending on what you need, you might be advised to go to A&E or be transferred to 999 in an emergency, go to an urgent treatment centre, contact your own GP surgery, see an evening and weekend GP, out-of-hours GP, get a call back from a nurse, doctor or paramedic, get urgent specialist support for dental or mental health problems, see a pharmacist for help with a minor illness. Look after yourself safely at home. Contacting NHS 111 makes it easier for you to get the right advice or treatment. Call 999 for life-threatening emergencies. You should still call 999 or go to A&E in an emergency when someone is seriously ill or injured and their life is at risk. BSL users can make a free BSL video call to 999 using the 999 BSL Emergency Video Relay Service website or app. To use the service or to find out more, visit 999bsl.co.uk. Text relay users can contact 999 by calling 18000. If you are deaf, have hearing loss, are a BSL user or have communication difficulties, you can text 999 by registering your phone in advance. Find out more at www.emergencysms.co.uk. Help in other languages. If you need help in other languages, call 111 and ask for an interpreter. More information. For more information about NHS 111 and to find out more about the NHS App, go to nhs.uk/111. 111.nhs.uk